Hello fam, welcome back. Another episode here. Today we are going to talk about raised beds. As we know, we have sunken beds, flat beds and raised beds, but among all these three, raised beds are the most popular. In this video we'll discuss why and the characteristics of a raised bed. So let's dive right in. A raised bed can be made in the greenhouse or in the open field. It is practical anywhere. It is particularly important in areas that receive a lot of rainfall and also when irrigation is being used. Raised beds basically involve pulling soil together with a width of 1 meter and in any convenient length. 1 meter is so that it is easier to work on the bed. If you are to put a bed of 3 meters, it will be hard to reach the middle portion and you'll have to step on the beds, which is not practical. Also, you leave paths in between the beds. Raised beds are particularly good for crops that do not tolerate waterlogging or excessive water. They are very practical when you want to drain off excess water, and also they are good for crops that are of a higher or a dense root system. It will accommodate the roots very well. Also, raised beds can be used to produce tuber crops, like I've said, the likes of potatoes, cassavas and such. A raised bed can accommodate 2 or 3 rows of crops depending on the type of crop and also the condition of the soil. When installing irrigation system, you place the drip lines on top of the beds. Most vegetables like brassicas and also indigenous vegetable native to Africa, they do very well on raised beds. Same for tubers like potatoes, Irish and sweet potatoes, as well as cassavas, and practically almost any other crops will do well on raised beds, including most flowers. That's basically almost everything that you may need to know when you are dealing with raised beds. And up to there we've reached the end, and I encourage you to like, subscribe and share our videos out there. It will give us the morale to keep on producing content like this. In the next video we'll discuss sunken beds and flat beds. Until there, I'll see you on the next one.